What's going on, guys? Welcome to this new episode of Friday Fabric Finds. It is the week of May 3rd, 2024. My name is Mason, and I am the inventory specialist.
And I'm Clint, I'm the kit manager.
And today we're going to go through the newsletter with y'all and see what we have for this week. So the first thing, of course, as every week goes, we have the Friday bundle for y'all, which is Midnight Cherry, going for $29.96. It has patterns of florals, berries, and blenders, such as checks and plaids and circle dots and words. Colors are red, black, and white, so make sure you go check out Midnight Cherry for the Friday bundle.
Next, we have Nature Sings from Poppie Cotton. This collection contains several floral patterns like roses, daisies, and wildflowers, as well as birds and checks, all in colors like blue, yellow, pink, and lavender. For this one, we have the full collection yardage, patterns, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch squares, and 5-inch squares. This collection is perfect for nature lovers, so if that's you, go check it out.
All right, next is a collection from Studio E. It is Bones and Bouquets, a spooky collection for y'all. We have the full collection of yardage. We have 24-inch panels. We have the No Bones About It quilt kits, and we also have the Bones and Batiks treat bags kits. The patterns for it are fall foliage. We have skeletons, crows, bats, black cats, spider webs, and witches, pumpkins, and the moon. So a lot going on there, and the colors are purple, orange, blue, black, and gray. So make sure you go check out Bones Bouquets from Studio E.
Now let's talk about Noir from Moda. Noir features skulls, ghosts, spider webs, and snakes in some eerie and sophisticated patterns. The color scheme on this collection is black, white, and orange, and we have the full collection yardage as well as 36-inch panels, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, and the Noir quilt kit. This one is definitely worth taking a look at.
All right, next for y'all is a collection from Robert Kaufman called Colors of Christmas Batiks. It is a very Christmas-themed collection, as you can assume. It will have you feeling holly jolly and ready for the holidays. We have the full collection of yardage. We have the fat quarter bundles, 5-inch squares, and the Quilty Trees quilt kits. Patterns are vintage ornaments, pine leaves, stars, poinsettias, and holly. The colors are classic shades of green and red. So getting ready for the holiday season, make sure you get some projects for the Christmas time and go check out Colors of Christmas Batiks from Robert Kaufman.
This week we want to mention our Blue Mountain quilt kits. These kits are regularly priced at $131.96, but we have them on sale for $82.96.
Ooh.
This one has lots of blue, green, and purple, and it's just really a beautifully colored quilt kit. So if that sounds like something you'd like, go grab it at that sale price.
All right, the next collection we have for y'all is Bootiful from Dear Stella. It is a perfect mixture of cute and spooky, so another Halloween collection for y'all. It has patterns of felines, ghosts, witches' brews, pumpkin patches, and crows and stripes. The colors are vibrant Halloween colors. So you're thinking orange, you're thinking green, you're thinking purples, blues, all of that. So make sure you go check out Bootiful from Dear Stella.
Next, we have Graveyard Ghouls from Studio E. This collection features some adorable ghouls, mummies, ghosts, skeletons, witches, and spiders in colors like plum, orange, black, and gray. One specific thing that we want to mention with these fabrics is that this collection features several glow-in-the-dark elements. For Graveyard Ghouls, we have the full collection yardage, as well as the Ghouls in the Graveyard quilt kits and the Graveyard Ghouls treat bag kits. And with the glow-in-the-dark fabrics, this collection is sure to light up your Halloween night.
Next for y'all, we have Periwinkle Glow Batiks from Anthology. It allows for an array of possibilities, a whole lot going on in here. We have the full collection of yardage, we have fat quarter bundles, and we have the Beetle packaged quilt kits. We have patterns of ditzy daisies, raindrops, leaves, labyrinths, and clouds, and colors of blues, greens, and yellows. So a whole lot going on in this collection, so make sure you go check out Periwinkle Glow Batiks.
All right, and as always, we like to mention our monthly bargains. Here in May, we've got remnants, kits, notions. You really never know what's included in there. So check back daily because we update it daily.
So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for this video. Make sure you also comment down below if you have anything you want to talk about. Maybe we can talk about it in the next week's episode. Make sure you also follow us on all of our social medias that'll be in the bio below. We will see y'all next week. See ya.